The Dyson 360 Vis Nav represents a focused approach to robotic floor care, prioritizing raw suction and advanced navigation over secondary features. This unit is designed for those who want a deep, effective clean without compromise. Check the link in the description for the best price. These metrics define how the machine navigates your home and addresses dirt. Its high suction power and wide brush bar combine to deliver industry-leading performance on all floor surfaces. The aggressive brush design is specifically engineered to lift and remove dust and debris from deep within your carpets. The extending side duct is a clever addition that ensures dirt hidden in corners and against walls gets sucked away. The 360-degree vision system is highly intelligent, though it performs most reliably when your home has adequate lighting. The machine excels at pulling debris from various surfaces, though the vision-based navigation works best in well-lit environments. We weigh the premium build against the features provided for the price. The cleaning efficiency is undeniably high, providing a level of suction that is hard to find elsewhere. Every component, from the motor to the filtration system, reflects a high level of engineering and build quality. The manual bin emptying process is a step back for those expecting a truly hands-off modern cleaning experience. While the vacuuming is superior, the market is filled with competitors offering docks and mops at similar prices. You are paying for world-class engineering, but you will need to handle maintenance tasks like emptying the bin yourself. These factors identify potential buyer complaints and maintenance requirements. The price point is high, which may feel difficult to justify for users wanting a complete floor care system. Users should ensure their home stays reasonably lit to keep the vision-based navigation operating at its best. Routine cleaning of the brush and bin is necessary to keep this machine operating at peak performance levels. You are backed by excellent manufacturer support, which provides long-term peace of mind for your purchase. Buyers should be prepared for regular manual upkeep, but can rely on strong manufacturer support if issues arise. The Dyson 360 Vis Nav is clearly engineered for users who value high-performance vacuuming above everything else. While it lacks the convenience of a self-emptying dock or mop, its suction and brush technology set it apart. If your priority is keeping carpets and edges pristine, this is a top-tier performer that does the hard work for you.